So, blasting through them, this is another session. Just wanted to show this one on DevOps. So not for everyone, I can totally appreciate, but again, it is a team going through MMS, and it's something that we definitely want to talk about. So this session was delivered by three guys down the bottom there: Daniela Mosqueda, Marcin, can't pronounce that, and Brian Wren. Okay, so these guys are all top of the field in development and application performance monitoring and stuff like that. So if that's your forte, or if that if that's your fancy, check out some blog posts from these guys once you've had a look at the video. And you can see here down the bottom, watch online. I've got that at the start of each of the session slides that I'm showing you all today. So application lifecycle. I spoke earlier about ALM, application lifecycle management. Again, we can see the developers on the left and operations or operate on the right. These are basically some of the issues that you can come across with the two different teams. So you can see like the isolated operations tools and workflows, so basically the ops team are looking at their own problems. They might see an alert but not know what to do with it. They can't debug code. I can't. I might know there's a problem with it, or maybe I'm saying it's not our problem, it's theirs. But I need to be able to prove that. We're gone from the days where we can just say, it's not my issue anymore. I need to be able to say, look, it's not our issue, but here you go. Here's what we're seeing from our side as to what the problem is. So DevOps, and essentially, this is back to System Center. This isn't just specific now to SCOM or to Ops Manager. System Center Service Manager also uses management packs similar to SCOM. Previously with SCOM 2007, you could use what's called the authoring console. So you could spin up an authoring console and you could create a management pack. Why would you want to do that? You're not a developer, you might say, and I totally understand that. We spoke earlier about, we had the conversation earlier about, if you can't get delivery of the monitoring that you want with your Exchange environment, then we can easily build you something that will. And that's not me going in, hacking XML code together and, getting deep into coding. That's me just being able to say, right, I'm going to create a rule, I'm going to create a monitor, I'm going to create a state view, I'm going to, create maybe a diagnostic task, whatever. And I can do all that now. If I want to, I can do it inside the SCOM 2012 normal operations console. But what Microsoft are saying to do is to use the Visual Studio authoring extensions and go through there. So completely alien to me, and I haven't yet done this yet. But the demo on this session, this is why I put it up here. The demo, and this is primarily, this particular session is primarily for people that currently have SCOM. The demo that you would see, it actually breaks down those barriers, and you don't have to get deep into VSAE or Visual Studio authoring extensions. It actually makes a lot more sense once you understand it and you get familiar with the concepts. So I just kind of wanted to start introducing that into people's thought process if you're using SCOM, or if you're going down the road using SCOM, and you're thinking, I'd love to be able to just develop a management pack, just something small, not forget about coding, forget about top level going out and producing something where you can sell, but just something that will solve a problem for you internally. And it's actually pretty simple. And there's some resources on that particular session there, some wiki guides and some blogs and stuff, so definitely go check those out. Okay.